Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to open the gas cap on a Kia Sportage, and these will be easy instructions, so let's get right into this instructional tutorial video. As you can see right here, this is actually a Kia Sportage, and on the driver's side over here, this is the driver's side right over here. On the driver's side we have the gas cap over there. Now to open the gas cap, it's really easy. You just have to push it, but it might not work when you do it like this. And if it doesn't work when you do it like this, okay, that means that your vehicle is probably locked. So as you can see, and I did that on purpose, okay, the vehicle is locked and it doesn't work. So what you have to do is you have to unlock the vehicle. I'm going to press it, and now when you've unlocked the vehicle, you can press down on the gas cap and it opens up. And it's that simple. That is how to open the gas cap on a Kia Sportage. This is also known as a fuel door, but either way, it's that simple. You basically just want to make sure your vehicle is unlocked, and when the Kia Sportage is unlocked, all that you have to do is press on the gas cap. It'll pop open, and then you can sort of flip it open and you have full access to the actual like gas cap. And then, you know, like this is the actual cap, I guess, you know, but either way, I'm calling this the gas cap. That's what I'm referring to it as, but some people call it the fuel door. Doesn't really matter, but either way, make sure the vehicle's unlocked, press down on that, open it up, and you've opened up the gas cap, fuel door, whatever you want to call it. Okay, you have access to filling up the gas tank. It's literally that simple. And yeah, that's how easy it is, and I've shown you and told you exactly how to do it. Hopefully you enjoyed this video tutorial, and I've got nothing else to say, so we are going to roll the outro. If you like this video tutorial, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.